Hello, beautiful people. Trust you are doing fine. Yeah, today I said let me give you some information that will help you in your fabric business, especially if you are a drop shipper or you want to just start drop shipping of fabrics. So, one thing you need to look out for is the suppliers that you will be working with. If you are going to be successful in selling fabrics online, the supplier that you are working with will play a major role in the success of that business. And what does that mean? If you are working with a supplier that is not trusted, there will be problem. So one of the things you can do is, if you want to start a dropshipping business, you can ask the supplier the the quality of the fabrics that you are buying, or how the fabric is. So, and when they give you that information, you can just do a kind of sample order, get some pieces from the same supplier, and let it be shipped to your address. Then you can have a feel of the fabrics. Then you will know if you are going to be dealing with that supplier or not. Another thing you need to watch out for is the timing of your supplier responding to your messages. Very, very important. People have come to me complaining of messaging a supplier, and some will check the message, they will not even reply. Some will see the message, and maybe in the next 3 days they will now reply the customer. That's you, that is the drop shipper. So it is very, very important for you to work with a supplier that is ready to respond to you as fast as possible, because the customer out there will not wait forever for you to get information if the fabric is available or not, so that they can be able to take their decision if they are buying from you or going somewhere else. So these two things I just mentioned are very, very key to working with a reliable supplier. Then another thing is that their delivery time frame is also very important. If a supplier tells you that, okay, maybe your customer will receive these fabrics in the next 24 to 72 hours, and is going beyond that time, though sometimes there might be issues with delivery people. We all understand that. That's if you are into fabric business, or even any other business that has to do with you sending the fabrics or sending the product to the customer. There can be issues, but when it becomes frequent and is happening almost every time, just watch out and be careful with such suppliers. So these are the informations that I have for you today. I hope it's helpful. So I'll come your way next time to also give you some other information. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.